My name is Troy. I work with America's Home Place here in the Asheville, North Carolina office. I'm currently here in Burnsville, North Carolina, working on a Hill 5 modern farmhouse. As you can see, we have an existing house on the property. It's about 100 years old. The homeowners wanted to build a new house. Currently, they don't live in this house. They live off-site. But I wanted to walk you through and show you what we have set up, why we placed the house to where we did, and what options we had. As you can see, we have the foundation set up here. In order to get a small crawl space in, we had to cut in about 15 to 20 feet in this bank right here. We could have raised the foundation up and had a really tall engineered wall. No one wants 25, 30 steps going up to their front porch, so our best option here was to cut it down, create it in a bank. As you can see, we don't have much of a backyard. Right now behind me we have the septic system being installed. On this lot, due to all the water, steep slopes, and being so close to the river, we had to have a soil scientist come in and find the location of where we could put the septic tank. This was a special septic tank. Happens occasionally, but in order to get the house in and have the septic system work, we had to have a scientist come in and mark that location for us. I'm currently up here today to go ahead and mark the foundation lines so we can go ahead and get the damp proofing on, so I can call in the inspections next week so I can go ahead and start framing. As you can see right now, we got the septic tank being installed. They're just installing the pipe that will go down to the leach field. As I said earlier, this was an engineered septic system. So this trench goes about 600 feet before we get to the leach fields. Oh baby, summer's hit here in North Carolina, and I'm sweating like a pig. We are to the end of the tail lines of where the drain line's going, and the drain lines are going to actually go here in this field below me, right above the river. We have a special system set up to make it work so that we can do it that close to the river. It's a special gravel system, extra long and extra wide. This is not abnormal for here in North Carolina and the Asheville area, but every now and then we do find a system that is challenging like this. All right, you can't judge me for how bad I'm sweating, because I am sweating like a pig right now. The sun is shining. But one last thing I did want to show you right here with the driveway. You can see that we built that up with a lot of dirt. In order to get that, we cut that bank out. We had all that extra dirt. We built the driveway up with that so it wasn't as steep going up that large bank that we had in there. Just one more thing that we'll do, trying to get the house placed and have it the best setup as possible. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.